Hello wonderful people, I'm Simeon Grace. Quickly I'm going to explain to us how to fix your zipper fly. Here is the front part of our pants. Now around the crotch area, what you need to do first is measure 7 inches or 6 inches, and here you're going to take 1 inch. So you're going to start joining from that 1 inch all the way to the end of your crotch. You join it, then you cut a piece of fabric which is 3 inches by 7, by 8 inches, 3 inches by 8 inches. Now you're going to fold this into two, and then you place your zipper on it at the double edge. That's where you place your zipper, the double edge, not the center. Now you fold in half an inch from your pants, half an inch. It was 1 inch that we measured to join, so that you're going to sew all the way down. Here you have 0.5, so you're going to sew below the stitches that you have. You're going to sew all the way down. After that has been done, you cut another piece of fabric. Here now it is 3 by 9 inches. The first was 3 by 8. This is 3 by 9. Fold it as well. Then you join it to the other part of your pants all the way like this. Once you're done with joining, you're going to top stitch on the piece of fabric. Going to top stitch. So that we have done. You can see the top stitching. Now fold in the fabric just like this and place it on your pants. And the next thing you're going to do is to join the other side of the zipper to the fabric. Yes, the fabric that we joined to the main pant. You're going to join the other part of your zipper to it. So that's what you're going to be doing now. Let me explain again. You have joined your fabric, place it on the zipper so that you can join the other side of your zipper to the fabric that we joined. For more tutorials, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kharis Kreations. Kharis Kreations, that's the name of my YouTube channel. You can subscribe. Now the next thing we're going to do is top stitch on our fabric. If you like, you can make it double stitches. For the sake of this tutorial, I did not iron my stay on the extra fabric. So if you're making yours, make sure you iron your stay on the extra fabrics that were joined to the pants. Also, while joining, make sure you do not sew on the extra fabric. That's the one we attached as zipper. Make sure you do not sew on it while top stitching on your fabric. So go ahead and make yours. And till I see you next class, remember to subscribe to the channel. I love you all. Bye.